Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Code. In today's video, I will create a pipeline which uses validation activity, if else activity, and store procedure activity. So let's begin. Click on new pipeline and we will search for validation activity. So validation activity is used to validate depending upon the dataset uh, it is present or not. For example, we will create a dataset to block which will check for a file it is present or not. Okay, so we will use the link for services that we created inside my previous videos. Let's say, okay, so this is my data set. Okay, we don't want to import any schema. Okay, click on OK. So now let's run this pipeline basically. Okay, and let's check what it returns. So my pipeline got succeeded, and you can check exist true. It return exist equal to true. This means my file is present inside my folder archive and input container. Okay, now let's use another activity, if else activity. Okay, and let's connect to it. Okay, let's capture the output of validation. So click on add dynamic content and and let's search for equals. Okay, so first we will check, it will check the output of validation is true or false. Okay, so we will capture the output of validation dot, and okay, click on here and let's check what it is output. So inside true value is present inside exist variable, so we will use that variable. Okay, so dot exist and it value should be true. Okay, so what I'm checking, whether output of validation, okay, is true or not. Here click on OK. Okay, now let's go inside true. If the output of if is true, then we will use stores procedure activity. Okay, let's copy here. Okay, but before I will show you. Okay, I have a table, and inside which these are its records. Okay, where column name are agent code, agent name, working area, commission, and phone number. So I have created simple store procedure delete records. Okay, what it will do whenever the pipeline, whenever this store procedure will run, okay, it will delete one record depending upon the working area. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, and let's check whether our store procedure is working or not. Okay, let's delete the record by. Okay, let me remove from here. Okay, and click on run. So the query is running, and when you will click on here, select top 100 rows. Okay, we will see that Mumbai record will not be present. You can see uh, the record has been deleted, which contains the working area equal to Mumbai. Okay, so let's move back to our store procedure. Okay, and now let's go inside setting. We will use the link service Azure SQL database one that we have created in my previous video. So let me show you that. Okay, this is my link service. Okay, this is my database name. Okay, this is my ID and my password. We aren't passing any parameters. Let's go back to our pipeline. Okay, now let's go inside activity and click on setting. Okay, now let's select the store procedure name. So as you can see, I have only one store procedure and it is being presented here. Okay, now select parameters. As you can see, we are passing uh, one parameter city. Okay, so we need to pass here also. Okay, click on here and we can also write city as a stored procedure parameters. But what we can do, we can click on import, so it will automatically import the parameter. Okay, so now we need to capture the output from the pipeline. So let's create a let's say parameter. Okay, we will pass city parameter, create a parameter city, and we will pass inside stored procedure. Click on here, click on dynamic content and click on parameters. So when the pipeline will run, okay, the parameter that we have passed will get passed automatically to our stored procedure. Okay, so this was the condition when the if condition true. Okay, let's go inside false and let's say here let's use wait. Okay, let's for example. Okay, now go here and let's click on debug to check whether our pipeline is running or not. So as we have created a parameter, it asks for its value, so we will let's check Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore is the working area we will pass. Okay, click here and click on OK. So our pipeline execution has started, and as you can see, my agent's file was there. Okay, so it got inside if condition and then true activity. So the stored procedure activity got executed. So, and as you can see, my pipeline is success. So let's go back to our DB to check whether our uh, records with working area Bangalore gets deleted or not. Okay, as you can see, there is no record, okay, of Bangalore being present here. Okay, let's now delete the record of Chennai. Okay, now let's run the pipeline again. Pass the parameter city. So let's again check whether Chennai record got deleted or not. As you can see, again there is no record having uh, working area as Chennai. Now let's delete this file. Okay, click on delete. Okay, as you can see, there is no file name agents.csv. Now again, okay, let's run our pipeline. Okay, let's pass Brisbane. Okay, this time and click on OK. So this time this will go inside fall condition and wait activity will run. Okay, so the pipeline is being still running. Okay, so let's validation activity is being still being run. Okay. Hmm. Okay. It should go inside activity, wait activity, but the pipelining is still being run. Hmm. So let me get back when the pipeline run is successful. So the pipeline run was successful, okay, and it gone inside wait condition, and as you can see, the record with Brisbane doesn't got deleted. We can verify from here. Let's click on result, and you can see the Brisbane record is still being present. So hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.